Is trust the backbone of your relationship or a mere illusion that's keeping you awake at night? Trust, an essential ingredient in any relationship, is often a complex and multifaceted concept. It's like a delicate thread, strong when intact, but once broken, it's challenging to weave back together. When trust wanes, it can start as a seed of doubt, subtly growing into suspicion. Before you know it, you're caught in a web of anxiety, fearing vulnerability and openness. Trust issues don't just appear out of thin air. They're a result of various factors, often deeply rooted in past experiences or perceived threats. They manifest as walls, barriers that obstruct the natural flow of connection and intimacy. But let's not forget, cultivating a safe and secure atmosphere in a relationship isn't a solo act. It's a beautiful dance where both partners move in sync, understanding each other's rhythms and providing the needed support. Trust isn't built in a day, nor does it vanish overnight. It's a continuous process, a journey that requires patience, understanding, and most importantly, open communication. Remember, overcoming trust issues is a journey, not a destination. Communication, it's more than just words. It's about understanding, patience, and empathy. When trust issues seep into your relationship, open communication becomes your strongest ally. It's about voicing your concerns, your doubts, and your fears, but it's also about expressing your hopes and your expectations. Your words carry weight, but their impact is determined by your intent and the respect with which they're delivered. It's not just about speaking your truth, but also about making space for your partner's truth. To truly understand their perspective, you need to listen without judgment, without interruptions. Remember, it's okay to have different viewpoints. It's okay to disagree. What matters is that you're willing to understand each other's perspectives and work towards a common ground. Communication is not a one-time event. It's an ongoing process. It's the thread that connects every aspect of your relationship, the bridge that can help you overcome the chasm of mistrust. So make it a habit to converse, to share, to listen, and to understand. An open dialogue can pave the way to a stronger, more trusting relationship. Your intuition is your internal compass, guiding you through the maze of your relationship. It's that gut feeling, that little voice inside your head that whispers when something feels off. Trusting your intuition in a relationship is crucial. It can be your early warning system, alerting you to potential trust issues before they snowball into something bigger. But here's the catch. While our intuition is powerful, it's also not infallible. It's shaped by our past experiences, fears, and biases, which can sometimes lead us astray. So it's important to strike a balance. Listen to your intuition, but also engage your reason. Ask yourself, is this feeling based on something real in the present, or is it a ghost from the past? If you're uncertain, open up a dialogue with your partner. Honest communication can often illuminate the shadows where mistrust likes to hide. So remember, trust your intuition, but don't let it blind you to reason. Arguments in a relationship are inevitable, but it's the repair after the storm that truly counts. The concept of repair is not about patching up a problem and forgetting it ever happened. It's about understanding, adapting, and growing from the experience. One might ask, how does repair contribute to rebuilding trust? Well, it's simple. When you're willing to step back, analyze the argument, and understand where your partner is coming from, you're showing a willingness to change and improve. This openness promotes trust, as it shows your partner that you value their feelings and perspective. Moreover, admitting mistakes is a key part of the repair process. We're all human, and we all make mistakes. But admitting them, that's where the magic happens. It shows humility, and it shows that you're not above saying, "I was wrong, and I'm sorry." Making amends after an argument, whether it's through a heartfelt apology or a simple gesture of kindness, can go a long way in rebuilding trust. So, after every storm, remember to repair. Be open to understanding your partner's point of view, admit your mistakes when you're wrong, and most importantly, show that you're willing to make amends. Because remember, in the aftermath of an argument, repair is your strongest tool for rebuilding trust. Overcoming trust issues is a shared journey, filled with challenges and victories. We've delved into some key strategies today, unraveling trust issues, the significance of open communication, trusting your intuition, and the pivotal role of repair after arguments. Each of these elements is a stepping stone towards a more trusting, fulfilling relationship. Remember that doubt can creep in, but it's the courage to confront it that truly matters. We all have a unique journey with diverse experiences and lessons that shape our understanding of trust. Maybe you found a unique way to handle trust issues that could help someone else. Or perhaps you've had an experience that reshaped your perspective on trust. Your journey, your experiences, they matter. They can inspire, motivate, and guide others who might be grappling with similar issues. We invite you to share your journey with us. Leave a comment below and let's start a conversation about trust in relationships.